You see your daughter, Angel Bear? You can get used to her now? I got to see it pull my rugs again. Angel.
Cinnamon.
And Cinnamon. That's your mommy and your daughter. You guys be nice to each other.
They're walking. Eva, they're walking.
Watch out, you guys, okay?
Oh.
They're scrunching their teeth together. They're both pregnant. And this is the mommy to her. So why do they do all of this? They fight each other now. They're about to have babies. And I want to put them back together. But whenever I do, the mommy attacks the daughter. So what should I do, people? Angel, Cinnamon. Or we're being by Cinnamon's mouth.
Hey, you guys.
And I want to put them back in the cages together. But would it be safe for me to do it, people? Because I'm trying to get them used to each other now, as you see. They are my babies.
Listen. Stop.
Joanna, leave them alone. They're laying by each other now.
Oh, so cute.
I know.
Oh, this is gonna scare me.